Taxes, taxes, taxes. We all dread them. But did you know you may be eligible for 3 tax breaks just for owning a home? I'm Tracy Cable, broker owner of Cable Team Realty. And on this channel, we will provide you with real estate tips and guide you through your real estate questions and decisions with integrity, precision, and compassion. As tax season begins, there are so many questions, and today we're going to guide you through 3 questions that may help you save on your taxes. Stay tuned to the end of the video as we provide a link that may save you even more money. Tax break number 1, mortgage interest. Being able to deduct mortgage interest is a significant benefit to owning a home. If you itemize and you've bought a home in the last few years, you definitely want to be sure to take advantage of this deduction. When a mortgage is amortized over the first few years, you pay mostly interest. Tax break number 2, personal property taxes. Again, if you itemize, this is something you're going to want to look into. The cap on this is $10,000 for a deduction, and that's whether you are filing single, married filing jointly, married filing separately, or head of household. Tax break number 3, private mortgage insurance or PMI. PMI interest is an itemized deduction, but if you can take it, it may help you get over the standard deduction amount. And here's how that works. If you make $100,000 a year and put 5% down on a $200,000 home, you'll pay around $1,500 in annual PMI premium a year, thus cutting your taxable income by $1,500. For more information and additional tax breaks, please click on the link below. And if you found these tips helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.